Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with MoneySavingExpert, MSE, review my usage experience. MoneySavingExpert, MSE, review my usage experience offers a wealth of resources and tools to help users save money on everyday expenses in the UK. Its main purpose is to provide practical advice and deals on things like energy, insurance, broadband, and credit cards. The target audience is anyone in the UK looking to reduce their spending and manage their finances more effectively. Key features include price comparison tools, money-saving tips, and expert advice articles. Their website provides details on all their services. MSE's positioning is as a trusted and comprehensive resource for saving money, differentiating itself through its vast database of deals and its focus on independent, unbiased advice. They highlight ease of use, emphasizing clear and concise information, and boast transparency with no hidden fees. Availability is nationwide for UK residents. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using MoneySavingExpert, MSE. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well organized and intuitive. I immediately found the energy comparison tool, which I use to compare gas and electricity suppliers. The interface is straightforward, and navigating between different sections was easy. The results were detailed and presented in a clear manner, making it easy to understand the differences between various tariffs. I was really impressed by how comprehensive the information was. The standout feature for me was definitely the forum section. I posted a question about switching broadband providers and received helpful advice from other users within hours. I had a quick question about a specific deal, and their support team responded promptly via email. One minor drawback was the sheer volume of information. It can feel a little overwhelming at times, especially for a first-time user. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using MoneySavingExpert. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to save money and effectively manage their finances in the UK. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and I would definitely recommend it. That's my overview of MoneySavingExpert, MSE, review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.